Okay, hello again, and here we can try to export a point cloud. I hope you still have the files open. Multiple scan positions, windbreak, so we got a good coverage of the trees. We see that, yeah, the density of points is reduced here in the right corner, probably because there was no not a scan position around or closer to these trees. So we have some occlusion of the tree structures. Anyway, we try to export. We select here on the left the cloud. We can again check the information. So we have 1.7 million points in this cloud. And then we're gonna check the save button here. So left click on it. And let's put it in the desktop. And so, well, you already see there are many possible data types here. Well, many. But making the story short, we're gonna save it as .laz because that's gonna be a compressed data type, so we should get more points with less memory. Yeah, let's try that. And then, well, save. But you just have to change here and you can give the name you want. Alright, we save it. Here, additional things, we want to save all the additional fields, so the attributes of the point cloud data. And then now we say okay, it's saving. Good, it says it saved successfully. Let's check desktop, and here we are. I get the properties of my file. So it was created now 30 megabytes. That was pretty good. So again, you can try to save that in a different format. Let's try txt file. So we just keep that, desktop, and let's try, see what happens. Here we just keep everything how it is. Oh, it's already slower, apparently. Dun, dun, dun. There we got it. So here, desktop, properties, wow, almost 300 megabytes. That could be a lot, right? Anyway, if you run out of memory, you can try to save a smaller portion of the windbreak, so we can use again the segment tool. Let's snip out just a few trees, a small section of this windbreak. Let's keep it like this and say okay. There we have 2, 4, 6 trees maybe. Yeah. Okay. Remember, we downsample these point clouds, but still there is a lot of occlusion. Now we have 200,000 points, a bit less. It's okay. We're gonna save it as LAS again. So just change the S for Z because then the compression is even higher. And that's it. 9. Section. Good. So here we have the other file, and then that's it. 3 megabytes. Okay. That's all for this moment. I hope you learned that you can save your files and then you can try to open them. And there are many formats available. Most likely you will get the smaller files when you save as .loss. And also you should take care so that you keep the additional attributes from the points, the scalar fields like reflectance values. And yeah, that could be useful for your analysis and deriving different vegetation parameters. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.